Hey you guys, it's your girl Chanell. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today's video, I will be teaching you how to make baked macaroni and cheese. Follow me on Instagram at FlyGirlChanell and Cooking with Chanell. First thing you're going to do is boil your pasta. Now, I know people typically boil their pasta with water, but I recommend to boil your pasta with chicken broth. It gives the pasta a little bit more flavor. So I recommend that you get 2 boxes at 32 ounces each of chicken broth. You're going to place both of your containers into a pot, and then you're going to bring it to a boil. The cheese is the most important part of the baked macaroni and cheese. I recommend to get 3 blocks of Cracker Barrel, and then the other 3 you can get whatever you like. I decided to go with my other 3 favorite, which is mozzarella cheese, Muenster, and Colby Jack. You also will need 1 box of elbows. Now that your chicken broth is boiling, you're going to place your box of elbows into the pot. You're going to stir and then let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes. You are now going to drain your noodles and you're going to place them in a bowl with cut up pieces of 1 stick of butter. So you're going to slice your 1 stick of butter into pieces and you're going to place it in the bowl with the noodles and stir it up. While your noodles were boiling, you should shred all your cheese except 1 block of the cheddar cheese. That block you can just cut up into small little cubes. You're now going to add in 1 block of the sharp cheddar, so that's half of it if you shredded them together. And now add in half a block of the Muenster cheese. You're going to give this all a really good mix all together. You're now going to add in half of your mozzarella, so if you shredded the whole cube, as you should, you're going to take half of that and place the mozzarella in the noodles and then add 3 eggs. You're now going to add in 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Add your cube cheese in now, and then you're going to stir everything all together. You're now going to add in 3/4 cups of sour cream. You're adding in 1 cup of milk to your mix. I so totally forgot to record me pouring the milk in, so you guys don't forget to add 1 cup of milk. Just 1 cup. You're now going to add in your black pepper and your paprika. You're going to add as much as you like. I really like a lot of black pepper, so I'm going to go heavy-handed on it a little more. Now we're going to start to place our mixture in the pan. So you're going to place down like a light layer of it, and what you're going to do is put more of the rest of your cheese in between each layer. This should be your 3rd layer and your last. Everything should fit in this size pan. I only have a little bit of cheese left over, but it's perfectly fine to put on top because I know that I have lots and lots of cheese in the mixture. So I definitely know it's going to be cheesy. You're now going to place this in the oven at 375 degrees from anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour, your preference. I did about 45-50 minutes. You now have your baked macaroni and cheese. You guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, or subscribe if you haven't done so already.